Don't yell.
Give me one. Meredith farted. I hear her.
Are you drunk?
No.
Why are you so tired?
Go get Meredith a bag. She's shitting it.
What?
Go get Meredith a bag.
Why does she need a bag?
She's gonna shit in it. She's been
I
sleeping so
didn't need a
long.
bag to throw up in
She's
some
been so long in the shower.
I'm sorry?
She takes so long in the shower.
She
Go
just
give
got
me a
in.
bag.
She just
Melissa, I don't have a bag.
Hey, go find your mother.
She's left.
Go get her.
You go get her.
Don't be like the dog. The dog will find her.
Melissa,
Yeah.
did you drink a lot today?
No, I didn't drink anything.
Are you drunk?
No.
Do you
Give me
miss
a
your
bag.
boyfriend?
I do miss my boyfriend. Go give me a bag.
I don't have a bag.
Now I
Why
go
do you
find
want a
it.
bag?
So I have one.
For what?
For my dirty clothes.
I have a garbage bag.
Okay.
You're gonna put your dirty clothes in a garbage bag right now?
Yes.
Why?
I can.
You have to pick up all your dirty clothes right now?
No.
Then why do you need a bag?
I don't want one.
But you said it's for your dirty clothes.
It is.
But you said you're not gonna pick up your dirty clothes.
Not right now. Stop visiting me.
I'm not.
You are. I feel you.
You feel me?
I feel you.